We need a 15 cm 2-color square sheet. If you do not have dual-tone paper, you can color parts later. First, fold the paper corner to corner to find the diagonal. Flip the paper, then fold edge to edge. Crease both pairs of opposite edges. Now watch carefully, fold this line and also this line. Next, using the creases you just made, collapse the paper together. Take the front layer and swing it to the left. Along the existing crease, open out a rectangle. Align it and press flat. Like this. Now bring this edge to this line. After flattening, pinch this corner and pull it all the way up. Then flatten the lower section. Fold the entire top flap downward. Look at this corner and fold its angle bisector. On the shape above, perform a rabbiteer fold along the 3 angle bisectors of this triangle. Notice this point, use it as the pivot. Collapse this area inward. After collapsing, look here, there is a trapezoid on the left. Fold it back through this point along a line parallel to this edge. Turn over and repeat the same steps on the other half. Fold along this line, open from the middle, squash top and bottom flat. Fold this corner in half. Pinch here and pull open. Fold it back to the original position. Look at this corner and fold it in half again. Next, fold the angle bisector of this triangle and collapse. Align this edge with the bottom edge, then fold over. Open out. Rotate, then look at this corner. Fold it up along this spot. This creates the eye. Repeat on the other side. Fold the corner up to form a second eye. Look at the bottom. Align these 2 points to these 2 points and fold. Fold the top corner back, then fold this corner upward again. Now fold this trapezoid in half. Open it out. Along the crease you just made. Collapse it again. Like this. Pinch here and fold upward about 2 or 3 millimeters. After folding up, rotate the bottom section. Using these 2 points, tuck the lower part behind. Like this. Now look at this corner. Fold this edge to this line. Fold this edge to this line. Now watch the bottom here. Along this line, fold this part upward. Fold it up. While folding up, use the existing crease inside to lift this section. Like this. On the other half, fold this edge to this line. Now fold a line from the intersection of this crease and a color change edge down to this bottom vertex. Along the line you just made, collapse this corner. Fold it downward. Then fold it back upward. The basic shape is ready. Tuck some extra paper behind to clean up the edges. Fold the top section behind using these 2 points. Here. Fold a little back here as well. Same on this side. Fold this bottom corner back slightly. At this stage you can place the ghost under a book to press it flatter. If it still feels loose, a tiny dot of glue helps. Finally, fold the ghost hands downward and curve them a little. The tail can also curl backward. Give it a slight roll. There, the cute little ghost is finished. Was not that simple?